Occasionally, site constraints can lead to road grades being constructed in excess of 18%. A risk assessment must be completed on all roads with grades greater than 18% prior to hauling operations. This assessment is to ensure that equipment being used is capable of performing safely given the weather conditions at the time of hauling.
The most ideal time to give and receive feedback on a road is when the road crew is still on site. At that time, we can solve issues such as tabletop.
Sometimes when you're coming down a hill and you'll have a flat bench before a steep pitch, you'll find there's a visibility issue when you come off the bench. And so if they could cut those down a little bit more, it would definitely make it easier for guys to see what they're getting into.
Leans in the road.
Ideally, you'd like to come into a switchback level all the way around. No insloping, no outsloping, and consistent grades. All grade criteria, if the land allows you or the material allows you, that should be the end goal. Level and consistent.
And concerns with traction.
Generally, you've got a rock truck around or something. That's the best thing for compacting the road. Get him to run up and down it and pack it and then have a look at it. Ask him what he thinks of it, because he'll feel it in the rock truck, eh?
When dealing with some of these steeper switchbacks and the operator is having a hard time maintaining grade, planners can come back out to the field and stake the grade for the operator to provide some guidance.
Here are some planning considerations for steep grades. Ensure the planning supervisor is aware of any planned steep grades and the constraints involved during layout. Review any critical steep grades with a senior planner and check if other options are available. Build in relief wherever possible from steep grades prior to entering a steep switchback. Avoid sharp transitions prior to a steep switchback. Tabletop designs can cause truck drivers to lose sight of the road. Ensure appropriate tangents and road widths are used when designing steep switchbacks. Identify critical sections with the road supervisor during the pre-work stage. Provide assistance to road builders during the construction of critical steep grades. And finally, ensure the road is built to design.